Chef, and I'm going to teach kids how to use a can opener. Now I have two different kinds of can openers here. One is an electric can opener and the other is a manual can opener. I'm going to teach you how to use both. These two cans are from the Step Stool Chef cooking kits for kids. I'm going to use these to demonstrate how to open a can. For the electric can opener, you're going to place the rim over the sharp part and press down until you hear a click. Then you're going to start turning. When you start hearing that sound, that's when it's time to stop. Lift it up and voila! Now I'm going to show you how to use a manual can opener. For a manual can opener, you're going to open up the handlebars. Now most people would cut it open like this, but nope, we're going to show you a time-saving hack. We're going to put it on the side like this, then you're going to squeeze the handlebar shut and start turning and turning and turning. This trick is great because there's no sharp edges for kids to cut themselves on. The lid just pops off with the can opener. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit those subscribe buttons. See you next time. Bye!